Last 2-3 months, you have seen a lot of activities happening. We not only started screening on the airports, starting from 7 airports, we went up to all the 30 airports. Starting from screening of passengers from few countries, it ultimately went up to all passengers from all countries all across the world. Then graded detailed advisories to passengers likely to go out of the country or likely to come inside the country. And then ultimately we banned all flights coming from all places on 19th of March, and we had the last passenger entering India on 23rd March at 8 o'clock. We screened over 15 lakh passengers traveling in 15,000 flights. And it was not only these passengers in the flights, but we also screened people at our borders. In the initial stages, when we had the first case of coronavirus reported in Nepal, we immediately started screening on our borders. And on our borders, we screened over 20 lakh people. It was just a huge Herculean task that our people performed. And it was not only this, because we thought that the border could be porous. We simultaneously organized more than 5,000 Gram Sabhas in the nearby villages, adjoining villages. And not only this, we ensured that we are screening every passenger coming through the sea route also. So at our 12 major seaports and 65 non-major seaports, we again screened something like 47,000 passengers.